Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about what is SQL joins, what is the difference between the inner join and full outer join. In SQL, joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on related columns between them. There are different types of joins like inner join, left out, outer, right outer, and full outer join. So what is an inner join? An inner join selects records that having matching values in both the tables. It retrieves only the rows where there is a match between the columns in the tables that are being joined. So in this example, there is a student table and there is a course table. In the student table, we have student ID and student name. In the course table, we have a course ID, course name, and the respective students who are assigned to the courses. So when we apply inner join to both the tables, the student ID in the student table will join with the student ID in the course table, and we will get the consolidated value as a result set. So this table contains only the students who are assigned to a course. So an outer join retrieves all rows from one table and the matching rows from the other table. If there is no match, the result set will contains null values for the columns from the table with no match rows. So you can see in this example, I have a user table and an order table. The user table contains the user ID, username, and their email, password, and the created date. So the order ID contains the order table contains the order ID, the respective user ID, and the ordered date. So while applying full outer join to both these tables, I got a consolidated result set which displays all the users who are ordered and who are not ordered. The users who are ordered are displayed with the order ID and the order date. The users who haven't ordered any item are displayed as null. So let us see some examples in SSMS how to use these joins in our query. So here I have connected to my SSMS under my sample DB. Let's create this student table before we can use the sample DB. Execute this. Let me connect the database. So now let's create this table and insert some rows inside the student table and create this course table, and let's insert the statements. So let me query the student table. So you can see I have 5 students, and let's copy this. Courses, let's select this. Totally we have 6 courses and the student ID. So now I need a result set which displays each student with their respective courses name. So we can achieve this by using the join. We can provide the first table. Let us take this as A, and we can use inner join to the table courses, and let's take it as B on which column. So I need to join the student ID column from the student table and the course table. Now let's select and see this. So now both the tables has been combined and the result set contains the student ID and their respective courses. You can select any of the columns from both of these tables. So for example, I just need the student name and their respective course name. So this result will give me what are the students have, what are the courses. So the student with student ID 5 has no courses, so it is not displayed in the table because we have used inner join. We can also simply use the join which will perform as an inner join. So for outer join, let me take this user table. Let's select and view this records. So I have 7 users, their username, email ID, password, and the created date. And let me select the orders table. In this table you can see the order ID and user ID with the order date. So now I need all the user details who all placed an order in the orders table, and also the users who haven't placed any orders. So let's use the outer join for this. Let me provide the user table and take it as A, full outer join, and let me provide the orders table, name it as B. On, you need to provide the condition. I need to join based on the user ID, A dot user ID equal to B dot user ID. So now while executing this, I got result with the consolidated result set of both these tables. So now from this query I just need to display the username, their email address, and their order ID. If their order ID is null, I need to display as no orders. No orders. So now let's try to execute this. So I forgot a parenthesis. Now while executing this, I got a result that the users who have ordered, which are displayed in this column. If there is no order placed by the user, it is displayed as no orders. Let us name it as orders or order ID. So we can use full outer join to display all the records. Even if there is a null value in the A table and B table, all the records will be listed down. And we can use the inner join only if we need only the matching values from both of the table. So I hope you understood how we can use inner join and full outer join, and which join will use for which use cases. And let me provide the GitHub link in the description where you can find the solution for today's classes and practice the exercises that I have provided. Please watch all the videos in the SQL server. Thank you for watching.